Most people don't know that Chat has an official Windows app, and it has features the website doesn't even have. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you how to download it. Set it up properly, and use all the hidden features most people are missing. Let's get into it. Welcome back to NX Tech Hub. I'm Enoch, and in this video I'll show you how to install ChatGPT on your Windows PC using two different methods. I'll also show you the hidden features inside the desktop app that you don't get on the website. Let's start. First method, the easiest way. Press your Windows key to open the Start menu, then type Microsoft Store and click on it. This is the official Windows App Store where we're going to find ChatGPT. In the search bar, type ChatGPT. You'll see the official app here. Make sure it says OpenAI as the publisher. This is the one we want. Click on it. Click the Get button here to start installing. It'll download and install automatically. Once it's done, you'll see an Open button appear. Click that and Chat will launch for the first time on your PC. Log in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have one yet, go to chat.openai.com to create a free account first. Once you're logged in, you'll land here on the Chat desktop app homepage. This is already better than the website, and I'll show you exactly why in a moment. If Microsoft Store didn't work for you, don't worry. OpenAI has a direct download on their website. Open your browser and go to openai.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and look for the download section, or you can just go directly to openai.com/chatgpt/download. I'll put the link in the description below. Click Download for Windows. It will download an installer file to your computer. Once it's done downloading, click on the file to open it. The installer will run automatically. Just follow the steps on screen. Click Next, accept the terms, and click Install. It takes about 1 minute. Once it's done, Chat will open automatically. Log in with your OpenAI account and you're in. Same result as method 1. You now have the full Chat desktop app on your Windows PC. Okay, this is the moment most people skip. And honestly, this alone is the reason you need the desktop app instead of the website. I'm going to open another app right now. Let's say I'm writing something in Microsoft Word. Now, without clicking anything, without switching tabs, without opening your browser, just press Alt and space at the same time on your keyboard. Press Alt plus space. Chat pops up instantly. Did you see that? Chat just opened instantly, right on top of whatever I was doing. I didn't close Word. I didn't open a browser. I just pressed the keys. This is the Alt plus space shortcut. It works from anywhere on your PC, any app, any moment. You can type your question, get your answer, and go straight back to what you were doing. Screenshot this. Share this with someone. This feature alone makes the desktop app 10 times more useful than the website. Hidden feature number 2, the companion window. This one is for people who need Chat open while they work. Inside the Chat app, look for the companion window option in the settings or sidebar. Click on it. Enable companion window. Watch what happens. A smaller Chat window opens and floats right beside your other apps. It stays on top. It doesn't hide behind anything. So now I can have my document open here, and Chat floating right next to it. I can type a question, get an answer, copy it straight into my document without ever switching tabs. You can work and use AI at exactly the same time. This is the feature that makes Chat feel like a real assistant, not just a website you open and close. Hidden feature number 3, and this one is not available on the free website at all. Screenshot and file upload directly inside the desktop app. Let me show you. I'm going to take a screenshot of something on my screen inside the Chat app. Click the screenshot button. It lets you select any part of your screen. Take a screenshot of something. Now I can ask Chat about exactly what I just captured. Maybe I screenshotted an error message, a document, a design, anything. Chat can read it. explain it, summarize it, or help me fix it. And for files, click the Upload button. I can upload a PDF, a Word document, a spreadsheet. Let me upload this document right now. Upload a document. I'll ask it, summarize this document in 5 bullet points, and it does it instantly. These features, screenshot reading and file upload, are not on the free website version. They are only available inside the PC desktop app. That is why you needed to watch this video. Free vs paid. What you actually get. Now let's talk about what's free and what costs money, because this is one of the most searched questions about chat. Here's what you get completely free on the desktop app. Chat app download, free for access, free with limit salt plus space shortcut, free companion window, free basic file uploads, free voice mode, free with limits. Here's what requires Chat Plus, which costs about $20 a month. Unlimited GPT for all message access to O1 and O3 reasoning models, longer file uploads and analysis. Priority access when servers are busy. Advanced data analysis features. My honest recommendation, if you're a student or just starting out, the free version is more than enough. Use it, learn it, see how much you actually need it. If you're using chat every single day for work or business, then Plus is worth it, but start free. That's everything you need to know to get chat fully set up on your Windows PC. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more free AI tool tutorials every week, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.